All the mutual friends of 1320 video. Everybody get over here. I need some damn subscribers. I'm low. I want my subscribers to be able to I need a YouTube channel that's able to pay my rent and buy me a part every month. I need more parts every month. I need to be racing. I don't need to be waiting on no transmission, nothing. I want to be racing, getting on their ass for that cash, and then giving the cash to y'all. Ooh, that'll be good. Imagine if they were buying me a transmission, somebody talk shit, I come whoop their ass for the money, and then donate the money to the fans that's in my YouTube channel. You'll be trying to subscribe like it ain't nothing. Like he might give me, hey y'all, that's my goal. I'm gonna give y'all a little money. That's my goal, y'all. Oh, it's gonna be going down, miss. Y'all finna be on my channel. Oh, look at this. All right, appreciate it. Who is this in here? Hey, you on my YouTube channel?
Oh, what's up?
What's up with it, man? What's your name?
My name is Jake Ballsinger.
Who?
Jake Ballsinger.
Jake Ballsinger.
Ballsinger, B-A-L.
Ballsinger. We got Jake Ballsinger in here, y'all. There you go. This is my YouTube channel.
Awesome.
Yeah. Yeah. You ready?
Yes, sir. I've been ready. We're waiting on the track to open back.
How you get this car, man? Who your daddy?
My dad built, he's right there.
Oh, okay.
He built this car about 25 years ago.
Oh, okay. Then he let you drive it?
Yeah, I've been driving for about 3 years now.
Okay.
So I started driving when I was 17. I'm about to turn 20. So.
Okay, he been driving since he's 17. He about to start 20. About to turn 20, y'all. Okay. 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 Dang, man, this mug clean. That mug is clean. I like this. Dang, that's tight. Hey, your oil pressure ever dropped while you was driving? Have you ever noticed an oil pressure failure? I'm wondering if your daddy have. Hey, that's your daddy. Look out, you his daddy? Oh, okay, damn. I thought that was your daddy, boy. Okay, never mind. I want to know why he put that oil pressure gauge right there. He must have some oil pressure failure when he was little. Okay, man, I'm gonna be back. Man, we finally got a Fox body. I like it when it's racing like this. When it ain't that many Fox bodies, I get tired of seeing them hoes.
Or jack. One draws a jack. And he goes, take it back. Bobby draws a 10.
Look at y'all. This is my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Y'all on there?
I see you right around Motorplex.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'll be everywhere, man. It be going down like James Brown.
This promo nice to Nationals.
Yeah. I just came to come see something tonight, come do something different. I'll be at Yello Belly. Y'all ever been to Yello Belly?
Been a long time ago.
Yeah. What year was it? 1970 or 80?
No, 80.
Dang, you ain't been since the 80s? Did something bad happen in the 80s for you not to come back, or did you just get faster?
Well, I don't live down there anymore.
Oh, okay.
No, it's in the 90s, I guess.
Oh, the 90s. That was a good year now.
Yeah.
Them 90s, it was packed, wasn't it? Did you know Mexican Richard? Mexican Richard. Or Candyman. Did you know Candyman?
I didn't know that. That's when Morgan and Son.
Morgan and Son, yeah.
They were building a bunch of motors.
Yeah, they say Candyman was whooping all them.
Huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, we only went out there once.
Oh, you once? Did you like it?
It's okay. It might have even been on like a Wednesday night, maybe.
Yeah, we be out there on Thursdays.
It's been so long ago.
Yeah. You want to go back, or you like all these other tracks instead?
No, matter of fact, I saw it on, they had a small tire deal.
Oh, yeah.
That's on YouTube.
Yeah.
I looked at a little bit of that about last week, matter of fact.
Yeah.
So.
You thinking about coming back now?
No. I live up in Ardmore now.
Where is that at?
You know where the WinStar Casino is?
Yeah.
We're 33 miles north of the Red River, is where we are.
Okay.
So we're about 28 miles north of WinStar.
Okay.
And I'm about 2 miles east of 35.
Okay. Well, that ain't that bad.
That's where
About an hour and a half away. 2 hours.
Every bit of 2, and then to here,
Dang.
maybe another half. So
Yeah. I feel you. I feel you. Well.
So we only come down here because my son's racing.
Yeah. That's your son right there.
Yeah, that's his car here.
Okay. What year is this car?
I think it's an 80. Kyle.
What year is this car?
It's an 82.
82.
But it's got a later model.
Yeah, it got a 92 front on it, y'all.
I figured that'd be a little bit more streamlined. But I wish I had the 82 nose back on it.
Yeah.
At the Motorplex years back, I saw a guy from Dayton, Ohio that had one. Matter of fact, some of them came with aluminum hoods.
Yeah.
And he had one that was black and red and white, really good colors together.
Yeah.
And it had like a brand new
Front clip on it.
Brand new grills. They had the horizontal louvers.
Oh, yeah, the
black
louvers. Yeah.
His were like
Perfect.
brand new, and I don't think you can get them anymore. And it had the aluminum hood on it and those perfect louvers on it, and I wish this was back like that.
Yeah. If anybody got any perfect louvers, man, he looking for them, y'all. Y'all just inbox him. What's your name?
Kyle Boswell.
Yeah, Kyle Boswell, man. Y'all check him out. He looking for them louvers, y'all.
Except that we don't even have the nose for the louvers now, I don't think.
You can make it. You'll make it. If somebody on here find them louvers, man, you gotta buy them.
Oh yeah. But that car from Dayton looked like a brand new car.
Yeah, he want it looking like brand new, y'all. He don't want, if it ain't looking brand new, he don't want it.
Yeah.
That's the only way y'all gonna be able to convince him.
Matter of fact, there's a guy in Dayton that used to run 2 of these Firebirds, a guy named Garland Parsons.
Yeah.
And he had a big trailer. He had them nose to nose on the floor that he towed it with.
Yeah. For all my people watching on TikTok, man, y'all check me out on my Lookout Racing YouTube channel. I got it in HD, no filter, everything looking good, y'all. Y'all check it out.
We'll go in there and look you up.
Alright, I appreciate you, man.
All right, thank you.
They got hooker headers, Lanati cams, Fair Pro gaskets, Holly, everything.